Clear Brown North Dallas, getting underway on a Saturday. Full wrap on the red, full front and rockers on the orange C8. That X is full PPF, so full paint protection film, full front track pack, full paint protection film on the X. Over here, the guys that are getting underway. The Mini Cooper, it's a first electric one they've got, all electric. That's a full wrap. This Model Y is a full wrap. That Model 3 is a full. The BMW over there, that's a full wrap. And then the Model Y back there is a full front. All done in Expel's Ultimate Plus. And there it is. So clearbrownnorthdallas.com. You guys have any questions? Need any information about our products? Thank you.